Mr. Alberts, tell me a little bit about who you are.
Well, my name is John Alberts, and I'm an attorney here at Bedlam Law in Yukon, Oklahoma. I'm a 1990 graduate of Oklahoma City University. I've been an attorney for 30 years, and here at Bedlam Law, our primary focus is family law.
Okay, so can you kind of explain to me a little bit about who Bedlam Law is?
Well, Bedlam Law is a law firm that's here in central Oklahoma. We serve the central part of Oklahoma, primarily Canadian Oklahoma, Cleveland, Grady, and Logan County. Our practice, like I said, focuses primarily on family law. That involves divorce, paternity, issues involving divorce like child support, visitation, alimony, anything to do with a divorce. That's our focus.
Are there other areas of law that go along with maybe family law that you also do within your firm?
There are. We also offer a practice here where we help people with estate planning. That typically involves either a will or a trust. After a person passes, there's a probate. We also help people with those type of things.
And so you've been practicing here in Oklahoma for about 30 years. Why do you do that? Like, what is your passion? What drives you to practice law in Oklahoma?
Well, I always grew up thinking that I wanted to help people, and as I became an attorney, I initially started helping people in criminal law, and then over the course of time, our practice just focused down, and it became a practice where we just help people involved in family law matters. As an assistant district attorney, I help people in deprived or delinquent cases whenever they had problems with their children. We prosecuted people for domestic violence and other different crimes against women. And in the practice of family law, we're able to help women, children, and men. So just the idea of helping people. We try to be a resolution-minded law firm. The idea of a resolution-minded law firm is rather than to try to focus on the fight, we try to ask people, why are you here? What are the goals? What do you want to accomplish? We understand you want to be divorced, but what does that look like? And we try to work the case toward a resolution. We find that it's more cost-effective for our clients, and we actually find out that it actually makes the case resolve itself more quickly.
So if you could tell a client one thing, what do you think that information you would want to share with them would be?
Well, it's back to the idea of resolution. I think that whenever people come here, there's a lot of emotion involved in the case. Especially early on, people are upset with what brought them here. Unfortunately, there's infidelity, there's drugs, there's alcohol, sometimes there's domestic violence. Those are highly emotional type of things. But what we try to do is to get clients to work on what we call a requested relief here. And that's a list of accomplishments that we want to make for them in the case. And that's where we talk about being resolution-minded. We want to look at the end of the case and find out, where do you want to be? Who needs to be the custodial parent? What does that visitation look like? What are we going to do with the home? How do we divide up the 401k? All those type of issues that more quickly that we can get a client to focus on those issues and start to talk about the resolution. Again, it gives the clients a sense of security because they know where they're headed. The other thing is that I want to tell them is, don't worry, we've got your back. I mean, we have done this for a long time. We've got over 50 years of experience here combined with the people that are working in the office. We're very good at what we do. So if you have a question, ask us. And I think that sometimes people are worried about the process. Just ask and we'll answer your question and give you some direction.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.